Subscribe to Drama YT and press the bell icon to get the latest videos first of the all.
Hey guys, how are you? It's K2 and welcome back to Drama YT. After I forget that in which book I have put my 100 rupees, I decided to give up my wealth. As I am not a Sherlock Holmes, so I decided to watch some of the crime mysteries dramas to get some ideas. But you know what? I still didn't find that damn note. But how could I have? As any of those dramas didn't help me in any way, I could recover my that big of a fortune. Okay, now just enough of kidding. Cause in this video, I have compiled my top 10 crime mysteries Chinese dramas for you to binge watch later. So just trust me and add this to your binge watch later list. All the information about the C dramas included in this video with their timelines are in the description below. Just give this video a like and do comment below which C drama list you want to watch next. And now let's get to it. Number 10. The Sleuth of Ming Dynasty. In 15th century China, a quick-witted senior ranking official named Tang Fen takes a break from his routine activities in order to investigate a murder, teaming up with martial arts specialist guardman Sui Zhao in a bid to solve the case. When the peace-loving landlord of the house Tang Fen is renting is found dead, the duo investigates. It is an apparent suicide, but the investigative pair quickly realizes that something looks amiss. They investigate and eventually succeed in finding a suspect they believe may have killed the landlord. But they soon learn that this murder might have did not act alone and is just a small player in a much grander scheme. As they dip deeper into the crime, the duo soon realizes that something very sinister is afoot, including a plot to launch a bloody coup. Can they stop the criminal mastermind before time runs out? Number 9. The Blooms at Rui Pavilion. Furong is the second daughter of the powerful Fu family, but after a terrible mishap and a painful illness, she is granted the gift of foresight. Able to look into her own future, she can see great wonders and unspeakable sadness. She sees herself marrying a dashing duke named Shushujin, but she can also see that a tragic and untimely destiny also awaits her. She begins to think that her untimely end may be linked to her relationship with the duke, so decides to avoid him at all costs. However, Destiny will not be so easily dissuaded. A number of dastardly plots threaten to dethrone the royal family and cast the realm into chaos. Eventually, Furong realizes that the only way she can help bring peace to the land is to join forces with the Duke and attempt to do whatever it takes to change her fortunes. Number 8. My Roommate is a Detective. Set in the mid 1920s, a resourceful young police officer named Shashu Sheng is on the trial of a brutal but devious killer. Realizing that the police force will need some extra help with this difficult case, he decides to form an elite crime-busting detective team. He reaches out to a young man who has recently returned from studying in Great Britain, Lu Yao. Shashu Sheng has learned that Lu Yao has remarkable powers of deduction and a brilliant mind, and he believes that he can help crack this difficult case. To round off the team, he enlists the help of Bai Yuning, a focused young female reporter for a daily newspaper, a free-thinking, independent young woman. She has a strong sense of justice and pledges to help catch the killer. The trio form a small detective squad that specializes in solving strange and unsettling murder mysteries. Number 7. Legend of Fei. Zhao Fei is the granddaughter of a national hero who was forced to become a bandit to serve the greater good. For 20 years, her grandfather, then her mother, were charged with running a secret fort staffed by bandits. The fort's role is to protect the world against strange and otherworldly warriors intent on bringing their unique brand of chaos to the mortal realm. However, the fort has fallen in status in recent years, and Zhao Fei is sick of being confined to the place of her birth. She longs to escape and makes repeated efforts to get away, but her life changes forever when she almost drowns and is only saved by a free-spirited young martial arts expert named Xion. The duo forms an unlikely friendship and decides to hone their fighting skills together. A timely decision, as malevolent forces are now plotting fresh trouble. The pair begins on an adventure, but as time goes by, they begin to unearth secrets, including that of Shiyun's true identity. Number 6. When a snail falls in love, Detective Zibai has to train a new recruit, the criminal profiler Shushu. Although she is great at determining one's thoughts, she doesn't know how to interact well with the people. But that's not the reason why Zibai intends to fire her. She is very talented in the art of profiling, yet lacks in physical ability, running as slowly as a snail. Still, Impressed by each other's abilities, the teacher-student pair slowly fall in love in the midst of their investigations. Number 5. Guardian, a world beyond scientific understanding, with a group of passionate adults trying to solve cases done by such forces. Zhao Yunlan and Shen Wei are tasked with upholding peace between underworld dwellers and humans, and the story will focus on their friendship that transcends past and present lifetimes. Number 4. Word of Honor. Zhao Jishu gets embroiled in a conspiracy in the martial arts world after quitting his job as the leader of an organization tasked with protecting royalty. He meets Wen Qixing, a mysterious martial artist who escapes from the Ghost Valley to avenge his parents' death. They become fast friends and embarks on an adventure to find a legendary treasure that will give its owner ultimate power over Jiangsu. Number 3. My Amazing Boyfriend. Mutant Xiaoling Xia, who has been asleep for centuries, is awakened by unlucky actress Tianjin Shi in a car accident. He then forces his way into living at her house despite his mysterious past. On the surface, she acts like she is not bothered by his superpowers, but actually, she tries her best to get rid of this monster. Unexpectedly, their torment of each other gradually warms their relationship. This not only illuminates their romantic feelings but also reveals a shocking conspiracy that has spanned for centuries. Number 2. Love Me If You Dare. Getting inside the head of a violent criminal is not easy, but Simon Bozinian, a brilliant criminal psychologist, has the ability to get into the minds of even the most mysterious and violent criminals. He was a professor at the University of Maryland and works as an analyst and advisor on the police department's most violent or difficult cases. With the help of his young assistant, Zeni Xinyao, Simon delves into the thought and intentions of the criminal mind. As the daughter of a veteran police investigator with a deep sense of justice, can Jenny find Simon open up emotionally as they work together to solve crimes? Number 1. The Untamed. Wei Wuxian and Lan Wanzi, two talented disciples of respected clans, meet during cultivation training and accidentally discover a secret carefully hidden for many years. Taking on the legacy of their ancestors, they decide to rid the world of the ominous threat. But in a dramatic turn of events, Wei Wuxian dies. 16 years later, Wei Wuxian is brought back to the life through a self-sacrificing ritual. He conceals himself behind a mask and assumes the identity of his summoner. Soon, Wei Wuxian reunites with Lan Wanzi and starts working together to solve the mysteries of the present and unravel the truth behind the past's events. So that was it guys, the video ends here. I hope you have liked this video. If you have watched the video till here, give this video a like and subscribe to Drama YT. And yet you guys have not followed me on the Instagram handle, which is right in front of you. It is called dramayt.k2. Follow me there as well. And I will see you later as always. Your K2. Love, peace and hugs. It's been a pleasure.